All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, this is a fickle industry. Talking about jobs, Aaron was doing a lead frame on an F-150, you know, the transmission, they call it a lead frame. It goes between the valve body and the transmission. I've done a crap ton of them. I can't tell you the last one I've done. Billy and Aaron have done them in the last 2 weeks. They've each done one. But, you know, that's the fickleness of the industry. It's been a while since I've done a Honda timing belt. It's been a while. Just the way of the world, you know. Haven't done certain jobs. It happens. Behind the camera is an Acura with a leaking oil pump. Well, it's no longer leaking because I've already resealed it, waiting for an engine mount. But got that job, and then I sold another Honda timing belt, another Acura. It's a fickle world, you know. There's been, you know, weeks where I've done the same job over and over and over again. I worked at one shop. Every time we had a Camry or the Lexus version come in with a check engine light, no complaints, we're like, charcoal canister. And 9 times out of 10, it was a charcoal canister. Every now and then it was an O2 sensor, or a mass error. But, you know, like we would guess, because that's how often we did charcoal canisters over there. I worked on a lot of Lexus SUVs and cars over there for whatever reason. That was his clientele. Not that I was complaining about that, but it's a fickle industry. I mean, and I'm sure, I know the dealer world knows exactly what I'm talking about, because you'll do 4 million recalls of the same thing and then never see them again for like 2 years, then all of a sudden one pops in. Or, you know, that common problem on this model comes in and you do like 4 of them in a week, or it's just kind of funny to me how often that actually happens in this industry. Back before Ford did the recall on the 4.6 intake manifolds, I did like one a week for like 3 weeks, and then did like 2 a week for like a month. And it was all Crown Vics or Grand Marquis. It wasn't F-150s, it was always a Grand Marquis or Crown Vic. We worked on a lot of old people's Crown Vics. And you know, if you're new into this industry, trust me, you will see it. You will see, oh, I'm doing another Honda starter. I'm doing, oh, all of a sudden you're doing another this or another that. And, you know, it's one of the fun things about this industry is if you do the same job over and over again, you get really fast at it. So, hope you found this at least interesting. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.